So we've got some of the balls already up in the trees. We've got 15 already up. Got to get the other 15 now. So the way this works is you gotta have a ball, electrical cord supplying that. We knot that cord as we tie it on. That cord then comes over to a splitter where we knot another cord, and supply line goes back this way towards the house. The other line goes to the third ball. So you're going to basically have 3 per main power cord going back. So we've got those 3, got these 3 going right here, the white ones. We've got 1, 2, 3 going here, and then 3 more over on the side here. Oh, got one not lit up, so I'll have to check it out. They don't light up when you don't plug them in. So we're going to take the cord here, knot this with the cord and plug her in. And that works a lot better. So now to string them up. So it's pretty simple here. You tie your fishing line onto a baseball, which has a eyelet with a thread screwed into the baseball. We throw said baseball over said branches, then comes to the ground, tie on. After we cut the baseball off, hoist it up and tie the string to the tree, and we're all done. So we only have to do that 15 times and we're in business, and we can get out of the rain, because the reindeer romp is tonight and we've run out of time. When you use the fishing wire, you want to use a heavy pound weight. This is 50 pound. If you can get higher, that's even better. So it depends on how much wind you have in your area and the susceptibility for ice and snow in your area. I prefer to use a fairly brightly colored fishing wire, so when people are walking around trees, that they don't miss where a wire is and decapitate themselves. These are going fairly straight up. You know, the next one over here, they're kind of angling a little bit, and you know, if you're a tall fella, you know, might scalp you. You never know, Dirk Nowitzki might come visit. set baseball with a eye with a threaded screw goes into the baseball, and then you have something you can attach the 50 or 60 pound fishing line to and heave it over the tree limbs, which works effectively if you don't have a potato gun. So anyway, it's lots of fun. So we had the last ball to hang. I just threw the baseball up and we had the last of the fishing line. I mean, you couldn't end it more better than that. So, well, the best ending is when the sun goes down. It'll look awesome.